Good morning, Jacob and family. I am Mrs. Moore, and I look forward to working with you this year. I wanted to give you a little background about myself today, and then I also want to talk about your test scores and assessment scores so that we know what we need to do this year in math to get you ready for the end of the year test, okay? And then throughout our meetings, we'll of course look at the other subjects as well. But today we're going to look at math, okay? So a little bit about me. I have been in education for 20 years. I've taught recently in the middle school area technology classes, and then I've taught at Tulsa Technology Center with adults and high school students, and then I've also taught at high school level. I'm really excited to be at Epic and help you on your journey through 5th grade and beyond. So let's get started. I want to show you your assessment for math. And again, like I said, we'll look at that and see what you have really done well with. And then I'll also look at what we need to work on together to get you ready for the end of the year test. Okay, so let's look and let's see. Here are let's look at your what you've done really great with. Okay, you have great strength in geometry and measurement and data and probability. Okay, so that's awesome. What we want to work on now is algebraic reasoning and algebra, general algebra. Okay, and so what we want to do over the next few months here is try to get, right now you're at a 164 and we want to get you up to 170 to 180. Okay, and I think we can do that when we work together here. Okay, the first thing what I'm going to do is hang on just a second. We are going to look at what I'm going to have you do is leave you with some objectives that you need to get to work on. And then in our next meeting, we're going to review those, see how you've done. And also we're going to move forward with the standard of whole number operations and problem solving. And that's section 1 and 2.1, represent and solve real world and mathematical problems using addition and subtraction up to 10. Okay, we're going to do that together. We will, and I'll show you that in just a second. But for right now, what I would like you all to do is you're going to work on these standards right here. I have them listed for you, and I'll send you this document, and you'll have access to it. And you'll look at Epic Ed, and in there's direct correlation with the standard and activities to work through those. Okay. What we're going to look on is this one and 2.1. That's the one we're going to be working on together. Okay, so let me show you the lesson plan I have for that. We're going to, again, we're going to review when I meet back with you. We're going to review those lessons that you worked on at home on your own. Of course, if you have any trouble throughout, reach out to me and I'll help you. Then we're going to kind of review that. Or we're going to kind of look at those together. Okay, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to explain to you the next section, whole number operations and problem solving. We're going to watch a couple of YouTube videos that kind of explain it. And of course, I will see how you grasp that. And if we need to go into further explanation, I'll help you with that. Okay, so several videos that we're going to look at. And then there's some Khan Academy activities. And by then you'll be a pro at Khan Academy. And it's awesome. They have videos, and then they give you little problems to kind of work through it. So they model the behavior they model the standard, and then you get to work on it. Okay, so we'll work through that together, and then I will have a little assessment. If we need to before then, we can do some more practice work, and then I will have like a little assessment for you. If the assessment, if we find from that assessment that you still need some more work, I will contact the coaches at Epic in math and see what other resources they have, and I'll also do some more research on that. So if let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you this year. And again, we'll get this started and see how we can move forward together. Thank you so much.